Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon delicious. First, always start with fresh, high-quality salmon fillets, aiming for about 1.5 inches thick for optimal cooking. Next, it's crucial to pat your salmon completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures a wonderfully crispy skin. Finally, season your fish generously with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like dill or parsley. For truly delicious salmon, consider your seasoning carefully. A classic lemon and fresh dill combination always brightens the fish's natural taste. If you prefer something bolder, a quick marinade with soy sauce, a touch of honey, and grated ginger adds a fantastic umami depth. Remember to let your salmon rest at room temperature for about 15 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. There are several excellent ways to cook salmon to perfection. Pan-searing, starting skin side down, is fantastic for achieving that coveted crispy skin while keeping the flesh moist. Baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes is a simple, reliable method for tender, flaky results. For a smoky flavor, grilling over medium-high heat works wonderfully. Just be sure to oil your grates well. Once your salmon is cooked, let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives will elevate the dish beautifully. For more great tips and deals, including that fantastic sock recommendation, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly delicious salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.